Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix the Bluetooth pairing issues for your BANG OLUFSEN Beoplay H95. The first thing we are going to do is entering these settings. We have two tab settings here, and both on iPhone and Android phones. Here we have to enter Wi-Fi, we have to enter Bluetooth and disable Bluetooth. It should take 10 to 20 seconds. Meanwhile, we have to turn off our headphones with a switch. Then, after this 10 to 20 seconds, we can enable Bluetooth back again here and enable the power switch back again. Now we can check if we can connect. If we can't connect still, we have to do a hard reset. To know how to do a hard reset, check our channel because we have a video for that. If that didn't help you, you have to contact device support. That's it, hope it helps you and have a nice day.